Question number 1, he is, honest officer. B, un. Question number 2, she, a dress for the party. A, chose. Question number 3, he is, European footballer. A. Question number 4, we, happy today. C, are. Question number 5, Amazon is a famous river. Comment your answer. Question number 6, what is the antonym of legal? B, illegal. Question number 7, what is the synonym of idle? A, lazy. Question number 8, we travel, bus. A, by. Question number 9, my father works, an office. C, in. Question number 10, he was born, 2015. Comment your answer. Question number 11, we, a movie last night. B, watched. Question number 12, which one is a conjunction? A, but. Question number 13, they, a picnic next Friday. C, will have. Question number 14, she, English every day. B, studies. Question number 15, she, watching TV now. Comment your answer. Question number 16, she, a new book. B, has. Question number 17, they, cricket yesterday. B, played. Question number 18, which one is a noun? B, museum. Question number 19, which one is a pronoun? A, him. Question number 20, what is the antonym of justice? Comment your answer. Question number 21, he is, honest judge. B, un. Question number 12, which one is a conjunction? A. But. Question number 23, they, in a big house. A. Live. Question number 24, he, the door quickly. C. Closed. Question number 25, she, to USA tomorrow. Comment your answer.